Esme lived in the beautiful kingdom of Bella Villa with her pet unicorn, Glitter. She loved being a princess.
Oh!
And was very kind. If someone was sad,
How about a smile?
Princess Esme cheered them up. If someone was sick,
Achoo!
Bless you.
Princess Esme handed them a tissue. And if someone had their delicious, drippy ice cream taken,
Excuse me.
well, Princess Esme helped them get it back.
When I'm kind, I twinkle, sparkle, and shine.
Everything was just fine and dandy in Bella Villa until one day, grumpy Knight No-No and his beloved pet dragon, Igor, stopped Princess Esme and Glitter on their way back to the castle.
I am tired of protecting our kingdom.
Said Knight No-No.
Every day I have to wear this squeaky, creaky armor. It makes me so cranky! I don't want to do it anymore!
But, Knight No-No,
Said Princess Esme.
protecting our kingdom is important. It keeps everyone safe, which is a very kind thing to do.
I don't care! I don't want to be kind, and neither should you! Being kind is a great, big no-no!
But I'm always kind. It's what makes me twinkle, sparkle, and shine.
Not anymore! Twinkling, sparkling, and shining are a big no-no!
And so, Knight No-No locked Princess Esme and Glitter in the dungeon.
Super kids, help! The kingdom of Bella Villa needs you.
Nay!
Nothing can help you! You must stay in the dungeon so that you can spread your dreaded twinkle, sparkle, and shine! Kindness is a big no-no!
Back at Superhero School, a giant beam of light shone through the window, right in the middle of the Super Kids Superpowers class. It was the Super Kids signal. Super Kids, cried Principal Good Guy. Princess Esme and Glitter need your help. Knight No-No has thrown them in the dungeon.
Ready, set, Super Kids!
Let's go save Princess Esme!
Once in Bella Villa, the Super Kids headed to the dungeon to save Princess Esme. But first, they had to get past Igor. Igor flew at the Super Kids, trying to trap them inside of his dragon bubble breath. He got all of the Super Kids, except Zoomerella. She was too fast.
Zoom on!
Cried Zoomerella as she dodged the bubbles. Zoomerella flew as fast as she could, popping the bubbles and setting the Super Kids free. It was Noodle Boy's turn to help.
Noodle power! My noodles will help us get past Igor!
Noodle Boy covered Igor's wings with ravioli so he couldn't fly. He tied up his feet with spaghetti noodles so he couldn't run. And he covered his head in lasagna noodles to stop his bubble breath. With Igor covered in noodles from head to tail, the Super Kids could slip past him and get to the dungeon fast.
With my super sunshine and my rockin' rain, I'll make a rainbow we can slide on to get to the dungeon as fast as we can. Weather wham!
The Super Kids made it to the dungeon.
Super kids, you're here. Knight No-No threw the keys way up high. There's no way you'll reach them. Knight No-No was too clever.
Clever is good.
but bouncy is better.
Super Bouncy Boy bounced into action, bouncing as high as he could to grab the keys.
Go, bouncy, go!
At last, the Super Kids set Princess Esme and Glitter free.
Hooray!
Nay, so fast! I mean, not so fast!
Called out Night No-No.
Escaping is a no-no! And you Super Kids are a no-no too! You belong in the dungeon! Igor, bubble them! I'll get Princess Esme!
Help me!
Night No-No tried to capture Princess Esme and Glitter.
Night No-No, you must be stopped.
You can't stop me! You don't have any superpowers!
I may not have superpowers, but I do know how to be super kind. When I'm kind, I twinkle, sparkle, and shine. Like when I help someone who is stuck to feel fine. Twinkle, sparkle, shine. Give hugs, twinkle, flowers, sparkle, compliments.
Hey!
Sing a song that makes someone happy and dance.
What is happening to me?
You're dancing.
Dancing? It feels wonderful.
You look happy.
I look happy. I am happy. Dancing makes me happy.
That's your twinkle, sparkle, and shine.
Yes! Yes! Princess Esme, you are so kind. You helped me find what makes me shine. And to think, I locked you up. I'm sorry. From now on, anything that makes you twinkle, sparkle, and shine is a big yes!
Princess Esme!
Hooray!
We did it!
Our work here is done. It's time to head back to superhero school. Wanna come, Princess Esme?
Go, Princess Esme. Igor and I will make sure Bella Villa stays safe. We might even dance while we do it.
That's very kind of you, Night No-No. Thank you.
Principal Good Guy was waiting outside of Superhero School. Princess Esme and Glitter, your kindness saved the day.
Kindness makes me twinkle, sparkle, and shine.
Well, it sure is powerful. Here is your official Super Kids cape. Welcome to Superhero School.
That's super, Princess Esme. Kindness is powerful. What can you do to make the world twinkle, sparkle, and shine?
The end.